I'm going to show you how to do it on a PlayStation 1 game. Simply, I'm going to go into my games. I'm going to try out this Hitman 2 DVD game. Should this work? Sign scratched or anything. So turn on your PlayStation. Take out Sims 1. Put the DVD bonus disc. Then version, put it in. Turn off. Close tray. Turn off system. Unplug it. Replug it back in. Turn the thing on. Turn the console on. Didn't work. Please insert PlayStation or PlayStation 2 format disc. It's a DVD, so it should just work fine. Happens. I'm gonna do this for you guys. Make sure you guys don't do this what I'm doing. This is kind of bad, but I'm just gonna try this. Use this tape, Scotch tape. This will work on PlayStation 2s. You just use a tiny piece. It should just work on your PlayStation. Now I'm gonna grab a little tiny piece. Bad piece. There we go. This thing's sticky. Dude, this thing can get sticky easily. Make sure you put it on sides so then laser can read it. Hope this won't stick on the PlayStation. Should just work. And now, after I'm done that, you see the tape on here I did. Might not read it, but let's just see if it'll work. I'm gonna go inside a browser so that it could work just by then. Okay, memory cards. Alright. Pop in Hitman 2 bonus disc. Shit. That didn't work. Well, it should just work perfectly fine. What happens? Hang on. It's gonna be hard, tricky using a phone. Doing this by one hand. This guy's got to tear this tape off. probably might not load all the way. Probably you have to go to the browser. Browser will load certain games. PS1 games would load. Even PS2 games. If you have PS3, like PlayStation 3 system, if it's backwards compatible, it will work for PS2 and PS1. I don't have one of those. I have a PS3. It's a super slim, 500 gig, 6 controllers, 2 USBs. This is my PS2 right here. Probably might be selling. I'll be selling all those games right here, and even all these. These are PlayStation 1 games. These are all PS2 games. Would work. DVD mirrors are probably selling. Oh, we have in the garage sale maybe. Let's see if this loads. Doesn't read it. Well, yeah, it's the end of my episode. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. My username for my YouTube is Joshua Stralaeff, JOSHUA STRELAEFF. I'm going to repeat it again. JOSHUA STRELAEFF. Okay, peace. I might be doing another video tomorrow after school. I might be doing it tonight because I gotta go to bed early. Anyways, peace.